February 18, 2024. Here we go, getting on Oasis up the street. Hey there. Hello. Thank you. Thanks. They have a balloon drop, I think at midnight. Nope, midnight. Oasis is different. I don't know if they're ready yet. No, we gotta go to the muster station right here. $6268. Let's see how close we are. It should be like right here. Oh wait. Wait. Oh, is it through? Oh, 1 p.m. Yeah. Well, let's come over here and check this out and then head upstairs to Central Park. Oh my God, look at this place. Oh wow. The cruise, I think there's a cruise director up here.
Bar so I can get my first.
How is it possible that this is a boat? It's hot out too. Oh my God. Let's go grab a seat. This isn't actually a cruise ship. We're gonna get our butts wet, but that's alright. Wait. Oh yeah, right in here? What do you think? Right here, Gabby? Huh? Gabby? A lot of people on sea days go to the Windjammer. I mean on set sail days. It's raining. This is the first time I've ever been on an Oasis class ship in Miami. This ship is huge. So I'm sitting on a balcony right now. We're sitting in port, and it's pretty crappy out. There's nothing really to do. But man, this ship is massive. We've been walking around looking at it, and it's no shortage of things to do.